the Foundation Integrated SSP Kit. The kit aims to streamline the PLD structured synthetic phonics teaching experience. So rather than juggling multiple programs and placement tests, the kit combines all together in one handy resource. The comprehensive kit manual is organised into handy term sections. And within the kit, there are daily reviews, a full year of daily reviews. Now, they come two-sided. On the front side, you will see the phonic practice, encoding practice, high-frequency words, but also the provision for the writing of a phonic-based sentence. On the rear side, you will find phonic-based word lists for decoding and fluency practice. The daily reviews are in hard copy to be put into these class sets of plastic sleeves included in the kit, but also the daily reviews are provided as a digital version for projection onto interactive whiteboards or screens. Here's an example of a Term 2 daily review, a Term 3 daily review, and a Term 4 daily review. The kit manual provides weekly teaching materials in a hard copy and also that really handy digital version. Here's an example of Term 2, Week 2, and an example for Week 3, and an example from Week 4. The kit manual also provides additional materials for group tasks for each week across the entire school year. Included in the box are the flip books for the Term 1 daily reviews, phonics supports, that is sound wall charts and desk strips, as well as additional materials so that the learning in those group tasks is engaging. This comprehensive time-saving resource will streamline your teaching process. It aims to facilitate a more effective implementation of PLD structured synthetic phonics program in foundation classrooms so that ultimately more of our students achieve strong literacy outcomes. Best wishes. If you found this information useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and check out our related videos shown here. If you have any questions or feedback, please add them to the comments below and we'll be sure to respond. Otherwise, you can reach us via live chat on our website, pld-literacy.org. Thanks again for viewing.